Another flat day for stocks. Everyone seemingly on vacation. This even in the face of some discouraging economic reports. For the latest, let's go right to Ellen Braitman. Ellen.
Hey there, Pimm. That's right. A day when the S&P was just able to extend what is the biggest December rally for the S&P since 1991, ending the day up less than 0.1%. Now, at the end of the day, it was commodity stocks that helped the benchmark end positive, or at least not negative, because we were flat for much of the day on this mixed eco news. Home prices falling, consumer confidence taking an unexpected decline for December, and that had been moving higher. And it's not just the Conference Board's number that was down, but even more than the most pessimistic forecasts among economists we had surveyed. Bit attention here with the confidence number, because we've had a different report from the University of Michigan that confidence was at a 6-month high. And then a report out today from Spending Pulse, that's part of MasterCard, saying holiday sales grew by the most in 5 years, of 5.5% compared to the last holiday season. About 3 consumer discretionary stocks down for every 2 that was up today. Losers including Amazon, Hasbro, and Priceline. Now, in terms of home builder stocks, 11 of 12 ended the day lower. D.R. Horton and Toll Brothers helping to lead that decline. And despite all the ongoing problems for the airlines trying to get back on track from the snowstorm, well, the airline stocks essentially flat for second day. They lost 1/3% yesterday. They've been a bit higher. Separate from the storm mess, airlines boosting their prices today. FareCompare.com said it started at American, boosting fares $20 on most domestic routes, and that then matched by Delta. Moves after United Continental yesterday added a $20 round peak travel surcharge to fares on future dates. So, Pimm, not a lot of joy these days at the airports.
All right, well, tell us about what's happening at the automobile maker GM, getting a lot of attention today with a positive, report from some analysts.
Yeah, a lot of positive reports. It is 40 days since the IPO. That is a magic number because the SEC rules let firms involved in a company's IPO then start to release research. Well, today was the day, and GM was rated overweight by J.P. Morgan, Barclays, Morgan Stanley, got an outperform over at Credit Suisse and RBC Capital Markets, Citi, Bank of America. They've got buy recommendations all in. GM has 10 buys, 4 holds, and no sells among the analysts that we track. Reasons being so positive, basically a return to profit for the company, discount to Ford's valuation, deferred tax benefits. Also people talking about, for example, the analyst over at Morgan Stanley saying GM may avoid paying cash taxes until 2018. Wow, 2018. GM, it went public at 33. Basically today it did rise about 2%, now closer to $35.50. At the New York Stock Exchange, Ellen Braitman, Bloomberg News. Pimm, back over to you.
Thank you very much, Ellen. Thanks for reporting.